Welcome to our video showcasing some of the most impressive and modern heavy equipment from a variety of industries. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We encourage you to watch the video all the way through to see the full range of equipment on display. Who knows, you may just discover your new favorite heavy equipment machine. The Green Climber LV800 Pro, the ultimate remote-controlled slope mower designed to tackle the toughest terrain with ease. Made by MDB Texanov, an Italian company specializing in innovative landscape maintenance solutions, the Green Climber LV800 Pro is a versatile and powerful machine specifically designed to mow and maintain slopes and rough terrain. Featuring a powerful diesel engine and a robust chassis, the Green Climber can climb slopes of up to 60 degrees, while its remote control system allows the operator to control the machine from a safe distance. Equipped with a range of attachments and tools, the Green Climber can perform various tasks, including mowing, pruning, and cutting. The cutting head can be adjusted to different heights and angles, making it suitable for use on various vegetation types. The LV800 Pro is more than just a slope mower, it's a game changer in landscape maintenance. With its exceptional performance, advanced safety features, and range of attachments, it's the ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient solution to maintain slopes and rough terrain. The Dutchman 106-inch curved tree spade is an attachment designed to be used with a loader for transplanting large trees. It is manufactured by DutchmanIndustries, a company based in the United States. The curved blade design allows for the spade to penetrate soil easily and efficiently, and the blade is made of high-strength steel for durability. The tree spade can dig a hole up to 106 inches in diameter, making it suitable for transplanting trees with a trunk diameter of up to 12 inches. It can also dig to a depth of up to 48 inches, allowing for the removal of the entire root ball of the tree. Using the Dutchman 106-inch curved tree spade allows for efficient and precise tree transplantation, minimizing damage to the tree and surrounding area. It is commonly used in landscaping and construction projects where mature trees need to be relocated to a new location. The Ortomec 9000 Foglia version is a specialized harvesting machine designed for leafy vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, and arugula. It is manufactured by Ortomec, an Italian company that specializes in vegetable harvesting solutions. The Ortomec 9000 Foglia version is a self-propelled machine that can harvest leafy vegetables in both open fields and greenhouses. It features a range of advanced technologies, including a vision system that identifies and selects the ripe leaves, and a cutting system that precisely cuts the stems to minimize damage to the crop. The machine is equipped with a conveyor belt that collects the harvested leaves and transfers them to a bin for sorting and packaging. The bin can be easily removed and replaced, allowing for efficient harvesting and quick turnover. Overall, the Ortomec 9000 Foglia version is a reliable and efficient solution for harvesting leafy vegetables, providing advanced technologies, operator comfort, and safety features to ensure maximum productivity and quality. The ROPA Panther 2S is a self-propelled sugar beet harvester designed and manufactured by ROPA, a German agricultural machinery company. It is a high-performance machine that can harvest sugar beets efficiently and with minimal crop damage. The Panther 2S features a range of advanced technologies, including a 6-row lifting unit, which lifts the sugar beets from the ground, removes the foliage, and separates the beets from the soil. The machine also has a high-capacity tank that can hold up to 45 tons of sugar beets, reducing the need for frequent unloading. The harvester is powered by a 16.1-liter Mercedes engine that provides up to 630 horsepower, giving it the ability to work in even the toughest field conditions. The Panther 2S also features an advanced cab with a climate control system, ergonomic controls, and a camera system that provides a 360-degree view of the machine's surroundings. Overall, the ROPA Panther 2S is a reliable and efficient solution for sugar beet harvesting, providing advanced technologies, operator comfort, and easy maintenance to ensure maximum productivity and quality. The Meritractor Suoko S500 is a versatile and powerful track carrier that is designed to tackle tough terrain with ease. Built by Merit Ltd, a leading Finnish manufacturer of land clearing machinery and equipment, the Suoko S500 is equipped with a range of advanced features that make it an ideal choice for contractors, farmers, and forestry workers who require a reliable and efficient machine for their work. Featuring a durable chassis and a powerful engine, the Suoko S500 is capable of traversing rough and uneven terrain with ease. Its hydraulically adjustable track system allows the operator to adjust the track width to match the terrain, ensuring optimal stability and traction. This feature makes the Suoko S500 an ideal choice for land clearing, excavation, construction, and forestry applications. With a range of customizable attachments available, including mulchers, stump grinders, and excavation buckets, the Suoko S500 can be tailored to suit specific applications. This flexibility and versatility make it a popular choice among contractors, farmers, and forestry workers who require a reliable and efficient machine for their work. But don't just take our word for it. Watch the Suoko S500 in action as it effortlessly clears away brush and debris, grinds stumps to dust, and excavates soil with precision and speed. See for yourself how this rugged and powerful machine can help you tackle your toughest tasks with ease. The Meritractor Suoko S500 is more than just a machine, it's an investment in your business. With its advanced features, customizability, and durability, the Suoko S500 is sure to provide you with years of reliable and efficient service. Thank you for watching our video until the end. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more interesting videos from the world of heavy equipment and various industries. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.